people-intensive industry like textile and garments, it's very important to keep our employees engaged, motivated and trained in the job.
It was very critical from a standpoint for a company like Pratibha, which is a very, very person and employee-centric kind of an organization. In such kind of organizations, to maintain the engagement levels and keep people focused on a specific goal and a specific business objective, it's very, very important to keep a constant two-way communication.
It's also important for the employees to feel associated with the organization, to know about the organization, what's the direction is moving, what's the next strategy.
The broad spectrum of the employee workforce, and we realized that there are differences in literacy levels, there are differences in the way people communicate, the way they understand. So we looked at devising a kind of a forum where the communication was agnostic of literacy, it was agnostic of language, it was agnostic of knowledge of online technologies.
We have launched a program, I Am Pratibha, whereby what we do is that we we communicate with the employees in different facets of our initiatives, what we are taking in the organization, how we are interacting with the customers, how we are interacting with the employees, what all we are doing to create a cohesiveness in the organization.
But when you're looking at communication, it's a much larger gamut of information, sustainability being one facet of it, other things being achievements, there could be awards, there could be certifications, guest visits, and each of these pieces of communication actually deliver on a specific objective.
What I Am Pratibha does is it displays the actions that you did last month.
पहले क्या होती थी, जानकारी नहीं होती थी कंपनी के बारे में कि क्या चल रहा है। आज की डेट में क्या है, जो चीज़ हो रही है वो कम से कम यहाँ पे पढ़ के हमको पता लगती है कि अभी हमारी कंपनी कहाँ पर जा रही है।
ये हो सकता है कि सब लोग एक दूसरे को जानने लगेंगे, एटलीस्ट पता चल जाएगा कि कितने लोग हैं, किस तरीके से काम हो रहा है, क्या क्या काम हो रहा है, क्योंकि हर डिपार्टमेंट में जाके हम लोग देख नहीं सकते अपना डिपार्टमेंट में।
गारमेंट में वो स्पिनिंग में अलग अलग वो सब हम ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब हम इकट्ठे हो गए एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे महसूस हो रहा है कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे और सब लोग एक साथ में ही गारमेंट अलग स्पिनिंग अलग ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा।
It's easy, it's accessible to everybody.
मैं सारा ग्लेंस और प्रतिभा मुझे ये पता चला क्योंकि लिटरेचर पढ़ने के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, तो शॉर्ट में मुझे पता चला कि एक्चुअली प्रतिभा क्या है।
नजर पड़ती है तो पढ़ने में थोड़ा तो और ही चाहिए।
इंग्लिश नहीं भी आती है तो थोड़ा हिंदी देख के इंग्लिश समझ जाते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
We tend to notice things that initiatives that are being taken from I Am Pratibha and BCA. Then you are doing a positive reaffirmation of what you've done, which instills in you an energizing factor that instigates you to do more.
In a single notice board, a person who is working in Milanj or Airjet, he will not be able to know what is happening in the head office. So, but by displaying that board, the corporate brochure, people will come to know that the happenings in Pratibha, the most happening thing in the forum, and its superb performance from the audience.
I Am Pratibha.
I Am Pratibha.
I am Pratibha.
I am Pratibha and number one.
I